Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we will join new project which name is Revomon. Revomon is basically play to earn game and it's based on Metaverse. If you don't know what is Metaverse is a virtual reality space in which user can interact with a computer generated environment with other users. So this is the definition of Metaverse. You can play and can earn money through this game. The token is already listed on Gate.io and on Uniswap, and through PancakeSwap you can buy this token, and this is the interface of this game. What is Revomon? Revomon is an existing new metaverse that combines an incredible immersive virtual reality experience with the groundbreaking technology behind NFTs. This synergy will allow for the creation of real value in a virtual world by leveraging blockchain technology. And these are the function of this game. First is ownership. We believe in future and players truly own what they are collect. Each Revomon can be swapped into an ERC-721 NFT. And this is the detail of DAO. Each token holder can vote a major decision about the platform, the game and its content. And this is the detail of play to earn and staking and farming. You can start your staking and farming with the Revo token and can earn free passive income. And this is the detail of play to earn. You can play and can earn money through this game. Its pre-sale price is 0.11 cent and its launchpad sale price is 0.14, and the circulating supply, as you can see here, and this is the total supply for this project. And this is the tokenomics detail of Revo. You can read and can watch this pie graph. And this is the character which is free to play. Its name is Goldit, and this is the detail of this character. They like a race each other by rolling down the mountain. The skin on their backs is hard as stone. They are a playful but can be territorial. And defense 43, special defense 50, and this is special attack 60, speed 65. Second character which is free, and this is the third character of Grokano, and it is its detail. And these are team members of this project, and these are the partners of this metaverse gaming platform, and these are their social links to follow. When you click on app, this is the app of Revomon, app volume 2 revomon.io, and these are the function of this app: staking, farming, tires, governance, and these are the available pool. This is the white paper and white paper detail. You can also read it. Thanks for watching.